In today's video, we are going to show you how to add subtasks in Google Tasks and Google Spaces so you can break down big projects into manageable steps. Let's begin. Now, there are two ways for you to be able to add subtasks in Google Tasks and Google Spaces. And number one, of course, is going to Google Tasks. Now, you have the Create button on the upper left corner, or you can simply click the Added Task. Now here, put in the title. You can set a reminder or like an urgency or a priority if you wanted, like today if you wanted. And then there is going to be a 3 dots option at the right side. And as you can see, you can simply add a subtask for this main task. It's like a parent and a child. Okay, and again, you remember you have the ability to control the time if you wanted. That's perfect. We're good. Okay, so the next option that we can do is go to the Gmail, wherein all you have to do is hover to the right side panel of your dashboard and click the blue button that has an arrow or check on it, and that's going to be your task. Similar to what we have done earlier, all you have to do is add a task here. You can put in a specific date or duration or an urgency, because this integrates with your Google Calendar, which is part of the Google Workspace. You can set a time if you want, like 12:30. You can repeat that if it's going to be a recurring workflow and click the Done button. And then remember earlier, there is like a 3 dots icon wherein we can simply add a subtask and then click the Save button. And then basically that's how you add subtasks in Google Tasks and Google Workspaces. If you found this helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.